The country's farmers continue to be affected by the current dry and hot weather. The lack of rainfall and poor growing conditions mean many farmers are already using up much of their winter feed, while crop growers say this year's yields are being affected by low soil moisture. Farming groups are calling for urgent supports from the government.
Prolonged warm, dry conditions, great for some, not for the country's farmers. This dairy farm in Laois is one of the areas that's seen little to no rain in the past month.
We're upwards of about 90 to 94 millimetres soil moisture deficit. So that basically means there's no growth. So what we can see in this area around here is crops that should be, say maize for example, that should be 8 or 9 feet high, they're about 5 or 6 feet high.
William Cassidy has a 100-strong dairy herd, but with grass not growing, they're off the fields and eating into feedstocks. These are William Cassidy's fodder reserves, which he was hoping to keep until winter to feed his cattle. Around a month ago, they came out around this far, but with the exceptionally dry conditions, he's had to break into them early.
We're feeding now full winter ration, as you can see here, for the last 6 weeks, and there's no end in sight. There is no grass whatsoever, zero grass. So we're not even attempting to graze because there's nothing there to graze. So the cows are happy as Larry, but it all comes at a cost. And that's next winter's rations that they're eating. I was working out the other day, it's somewhere between 380 and 40 euros a day per cow. The president of the Irish Farmers Association was on a whistle-stop tour today of farms worst affected, and after Laois it was on to Carlow to highlight the scale of the challenge facing farmers there and call for help from government.
We've already looked for the Fodder and Food Security Committee to meet. We want to see that convened immediately, and we want to see action from the Minister to help farmers navigate themselves through this period.
The weather models keep showing rain coming towards Ireland and to the southeast, and then it keeps moving a little bit further northwest, which is why in parts of the west and the north it's a very different landscape. But Carlow and the southeast in general, that rainfall just isn't making it there.
We're suffering a lot with loss of income from the yield, not as much straw to sell, and costs after going through the roof. Our minister brought out a text message to us to text them back with our sort of feed supplies. A waste of time. He needs action, not a text message.
The Agriculture Minister says he'll consider reconvening the National Fodder and Food Security Committee to assist farmers once Teagasc completes its National Fodder Survey in the coming weeks. Martin Hayden also hasn't ruled out additional supports. Whatever measures are implemented, though, the disruption will feed through to food prices for consumers in the coming months. Angus Cox, RT News, Bagnallstown, County Carlow.